Today in this video I am going to show you a mini wireless printer for smartphone. It is available at very affordable price. This is a thermal printer, so there is no need for ink and the printing cost is very low. You can use it for various purpose where small sized prints are needed. Let's quickly unbox it. Inside the box you will get a USB-C charging cable, an English user manual which honestly was not very helpful, and nothing else. The printer is very small in size and made of average quality plastic. It has only one button and a Type-C charging port. It works wirelessly via Bluetooth, so you don't need any cable connection. According to the user manual, there should be a switch to open the paper tray, but as you can see there is no switch like that. So I tried opening it with a little bit of force and it opened manually. Here is the paper roll that comes included with the printer. Loading the paper is very easy. Just place it inside and close the lid. You can charge it using any Type-C smartphone charger. According to the manual, you should fully charge it before first use. Otherwise, it may not work properly. So I am going to charge it now. While it is charging, let's get the smartphone app ready. Here is a QR code that redirects you to the Android app, and it is also available for iOS. I am downloading and installing the app. For the first time, you need to allow Bluetooth, location and storage permissions. Now the printer is fully charged. I will press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then I will connect it via Bluetooth. Now my smartphone is successfully connected to the printer. The app has multiple options for photo and document printing. It includes built-in templates, a web page print option, and you can print PDF, Word and Excel documents, or even create custom text and graphics for printing. As you can see, the printing speed is very fast. It can only print in black and white. This printer is not great for photo printing, but let's check the photo quality anyway. It has an instant photo print option, or you can print photos directly from your phone's gallery. Here is the instant photo print result. I have tested different graphics and documents. Line art and text documents look good. It is mainly for casual use like printing stickers or sticky notes. It supports 55 mm thermal paper rolls and can print up to 5 into 9 cm in size. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.